Hey everyone, I just came across an Easter egg hidden inside of the Instagram app that lets you change your app icon on iOS devices. I don't think this works on Android devices yet, but let me know in the comments below if it does for you. Okay, let's go ahead and launch Instagram. As usual, make sure you update your Instagram app so you get the latest updates. And this is an Easter egg, so it's hidden, so please give this a thumbs up so more people could find it. Now on this page, press the three lines on the top right. And here I'm on the iPhone, so the setting is on top. On Android, it's on the bottom. Click settings. And this is how you get to the Easter egg. Just scroll down and you see those little emojis right there on top. Keep going, keep scrolling. And just like that, you get to this page where you get custom app icons from Instagram. So this goes back in the whole history of Instagram from 2010 all the way till now. Even the pre-launch one that says Codename is over here. So I'll select that one. And now if I exit Instagram here, there it is, my new app icon. Let me select again. I'll choose this gold one and I'll get out of there, and it's the gold one. Now sometimes you do have to restart your phone. The first time I used a different phone to do this, I did have to restart my phone, but on my newer iPhone, it worked just fine. Now I'm recording this in October of 2020, so if this goes away and you watch this later on, I do have a different video to show you how to create your own custom app icon for just about every app, including Instagram. So that's going to be the video right here. Thanks so much for watching this one, and I'll catch you next time.